There's like a breather you're cutting through or something.
Oh man, why didn't you tell me? Ah, shit, boy.
It's my life and it's now or never. I ain't gonna live forever. I just want to live while I'm alive.
There's like a breather you're cutting through or something.
Oh man, why didn't you tell me? Ah, shit, boy.
What is you doing, Leon?
Who knows?
Alright, so as you guys can see, we've started to cut into this Miata to build a cart or something. I don't know. We'll tell you when we got an update. Well, the rain ruined our fun. But, as you can see, we made some pretty good progress. Now it's almost like, well, once it's done, the body will be no longer than the rear wheel. So that should make parking really easily. Yes, I said easily. I meant to say easy. Anyway, there's your gas tank. It's actually in the same spot as the Festiva, except the Festivas isn't raised up like that into the body. Boy, those were cool hand signs. Just looking over this way and looking that way. But now we're still runs and drives fine. Just like normal, except it is stupid loud because we took off the behind the axle muffler that was on here, and I didn't think it would actually be this loud, but it is. So now we got that to do. We're gonna try and find some kind of muffler to put behind there, but we're going to have more of this whenever we get back to it, which should be seamless for you. I have no idea how many days it's been, but obviously this is where we left off. But we have a new problem, and that the exhaust is way too loud because there is no resonator or muffler whatsoever. That's basically running open pipe from the header. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up so you guys can hear what we're working with, and then we're going to weld on a new muffler. You might want to cover your ears for a second. Obviously it's a little loud. So we have this extra exhaust on the side of the shop. And I think we're going to find a way to make this work with it. I think it's off of a Tacoma. Pretty nice setup here. Yeah, so we are still working on the exhaust. Here it comes. Somewhat.
No, look! Andrew, no!
So we just gotta fit it one more time. So I gotta crawl underneath the car, and I will see you.
Andrew's welds over here.
Are we gonna show them my terrible welds?
Show them. I'm not even gonna.
There, it's okay. Let's look at my welds now so that we have something to compare it to later in life.
I can't, dude. I can't. Okay, fine. It's a Miata though.
Oh, yeah.
Oh god, no. Make it stop.
Alright, so we'll get this thing done, then I'll show you guys what's up. Just wanted to show you guys, there's the first line of welds that I did, and then here's the second line. I'd say it's considerable improvement. And if you don't think so, then
You should be pretty quiet.
well, I guess we'll find out.
Like, it should be like stock Toyota truck quiet.
No way. It doesn't have another resonator or anything.
Start that bitch up.
Alright, so we're back at it again.
The only loudness is gonna be out of those holes that you welded and left open. Oh shit.
What did we just arc to?
I don't know. Two brothers. I don't know. Some of those. Or brothers. Right.
Wow, it's a lot quieter. Hey look, there's a stock Miata. You got any power steering fluid? Oh yeah, right here.
Huh? Was it fluid?
I think that's what that power steering noise is.
You sure?
Nope.
Hey, this just needs to get grounded. Look. We got a fan. I don't know what that noise is.
That's probably the AC. All right, well let's do that. I just wanted to show everybody this beautiful muffler. Oh, much quiet, so quiet now. So I know this was a bit of a shorty episode for you, but that's going to be everything for today. We still have a lot of trimming to do, especially on this side. This is where the original seatbelt brace was, but it's pretty dangerous to walk around there, so we're just going to leave that the way it is. I did manage to get the rest of the headlight assemblies out, along with the actuators or the arms that move them up and down. So that's clear on both sides, so now we can cut there. But I really don't want to mess with anything with that overflow bottle. Kind of the same on this side, so it would really only trim to about here, but the radiator's still up here, so it can really only go back about yay far. I mean, I guess that would be about maybe 8 to 10 inches, so we'll see how it clears when we get to that point. I hope you guys like this new Tacoma exhaust. It is certainly a lot more quieter now, and I'm very pleased with that. And, well, my welding still sucks.